Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to Decenstitch. If you're a new subscriber or returning subscriber, you're welcome. Please kindly like, share, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you. Cut the band. This is 3 inches by 23 inches long, and we have cut the paper stay also. We're using a strong paper stay. So to place your paper stay, you are going to look for the part of the stay that has the shiny surface. So that part has the glue, and that is the part you're going to place on your fabric. So it will be placed this way, then you press it to fuse them together. So after pressing it, we're going to fold it into two equal parts, then press it again. After doing that, we will then fold the edges by a 0.5 seam allowance. Remember, in the calculation we added a 0.5 seam allowance, so we'll fold the edge by 0.5 on this side and on this side. We fold the edge too, then we iron it all the way again. So that prepares the band for us. From the inside, we'll place it on the edge. This part that has the overlap, we'll shift the band just 0.5 inch outside of it. So just 0.5 inch. That 0.5 will be used as our seam allowance to tidy the edge of the band. Then we'll sew it all the way around using this 0.5 that we folded. We'll place it on the edge of the skirt and sew it around. You fold it at the center, then this edge, the 0.5 will be folded this way, and this one too will be folded this way. So this is 0.5 that we left here. We are going to sew it straight on the edge of the skirt fabric. From this edge, we'll sew it straight. You use your pencil and ruler to draw a straight line. If not, it will not be straight, it might bend. So we'll sew here straight to the edge, while this other side that does not overlap, we'll do the same thing. We'll fold it into two, right side facing each other. Then this edge comes this way, this edge folds up this way, so it will be this way. Then we'll measure 1 inch. The remaining ½ inch is seam allowance. So we'll now sew it. You use your pencil and ruler to draw a straight line again. Then you sew it straight. The next thing is to trim the excess. Here too, you trim it about 0.25 for the left. So you trim about half of this out. Then this one you trim it close, like somewhere here. Half of it. Then you turn it over. You turn it out. The 1 inch extension here is optional. You don't have to put it if you don't want to, but I like to put it in case I need to adjust it. The final thing now is to place this over and stitch on the edge, very close to the edge, all the way around. I'm going to pin it down first, because if you don't pin it down, if you start sewing, by the time you get here, it won't balance. It might be longer, it will just be moving, it won't balance at all. So the best thing is to pin it down. So the reason why I said you should start from the inside is so that when you sew from the inside, you come and end the band on the outside. Then on the outside, you can see what you are doing well and it can be neat. But if you are finishing on the inside, when you are sewing, you are not seeing what is here. And this is the part that needs to be neat and look nice. So that's why I prefer to sew from here. Even if it's not so neat here, I won't mind, because it's inside of the skirts. This iron, you have to be careful not to match it. If not, you can break your needles. I purposely put the pin here because I don't want to be removing it. If you are removing it, the fabric will be shifting. By the time you get to the end, there will not balance. So I want it to stay the way I've pinned it. So this one with the extension will be underneath, while this one will be on top. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please kindly like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new here, and click the notification bell. Thank you.